Driving down the freeway, California sky, palm trees in the sunshine, watching the miles go by. From Orange County mornings to Riverside nights, Los Angeles adventures underneath the city lights. When your vehicle needs attention, when something doesn't feel right, there's one name drivers trust to help keep them moving down the road of life. All roads lead to Super Service, the friendlier and more helpful repair shops, serving Southern California since 1978, helping families, businesses, fleets, and commuters every day. Schedule a 70-point vehicle inspection today with a free AC performance check. Repairs are extra, helping you stay comfortable wherever life takes you. All roads lead to Super Service. All roads lead to peace of mind. From Aliso Viejo to Placentia, Pomona Valley to Corona Hills, we're here to help you drive with confidence. From brakes and tires to steering and suspension, from engine performance to electrical diagnostics, our team is ready to help keep you safely on the road. We make it easy to do business with us, with friendly service and honest answers, professional inspections and experienced technicians, helping you protect your vehicle investment. Schedule a 70-point vehicle inspection today. Catch small issues before they become big problems. Drive with greater confidence, know more about your vehicle, and enjoy the journey ahead. Free alignment check with any service, adjustments and repairs are extra, helping your tires last longer, helping your vehicle track straight, helping you get the most from every mile. Oh, Orange County, Los Angeles County, Riverside County, 3 counties, 4 convenient locations, 1 trusted name, Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shops. Whether you're heading to work, taking the family on vacation, managing a business fleet, or simply enjoying the open road, we're proud to be part of your journey. All roads lead to Super Service, the friendlier and more helpful auto and fleet repair shops. Schedule your 70-point vehicle inspection today with a free AC performance check. Repairs are extra, and a free alignment check with any service. Adjustments and repairs are extra. Visit us online anytime, 24 hours a day at www.superserviceautoshops.com. Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shops. We make it easy to do business with us.